So we are standing at an offloading bay for wet coffee. That means coffee from the farm comes on a truck, then we take sample. That sample is analyzed. If the moisture is above 14, then we bring it here. That means we have to reduce it to 13. So we are going to cut our coffee from 14 to 13. And this is where the cleaning and drying of coffee begins from. So we shall load it, offload it here, cut it into the system, start the system, run it. It will go through the pre-cleaner. The pre-cleaner will pick out impurities from the farm, meaning farmer didn't have this machine, of course, to clean up the coffee, and we have to clean it before it enters the heat exchanger. That is to say, we reduce friction before it enters the heat exchanger, meaning it could cause fire. For example, if there are stones in it. So the pre-cleaner will help us pick out stones, pepper, sisal, and all that kind, including pods. And then I think we turn behind.